With summer approaching, Ocean County will provide the opportunity to learn how to compost by offering compost training to its residents. This free workshop provides many helpful tips on the benefits of composting.
Yeah, I still would, because I want to make sure that it's got everything it needs. What if it didn't get enough rain or something, you know?
Yeah, but then it wouldn't get too much?
It's just going to go right through the ground. You know, this is all permeable. If you get a nice hot compost pile, I don't think these pepper seeds would have an issue, but let's put it in. And Mary likes to live dangerously. She likes to put citrus.
The class is a great way to spend a Saturday morning learning about how to reuse your organic waste while helping the environment.
Healthy soil is really important. Soil can act like a filter, it can act like a sponge. It takes any pollutants that humans may inadvertently put on the ground, and soil will actually filter those pollutants before they run off into the bay or our other waterways.
The class is held at the county's Northern Recycling Education Center. Seating is limited, so registration is required. Light snacks will be provided, and participants should arrive promptly. For more information, contact the Ocean County Department of Solid Waste Management at 732-506-5047, extension 4365.